I've tried many options, and I believe that these 5 vitamin and herbal remedies will help to decongest your lungs the best. In our fast-paced lives, factors like allergies, infections, and environmental pollutants can take a toll on our respiratory health, and not all artificial medicine can help to get rid of annoying mucus. We all know that feeling when there's too much mucus in the lungs, which can cause excessive coughing and problems with breathing. So if you experience this too often, let's explore the first supplement that will help you breathe again. Number 1. Cod liver oil. The first vitamin on the list to help decongest the lungs is vitamin A from cod liver oil, which is super important for keeping your lungs healthy and getting rid of extra mucus. In cod liver oil, you'll find the active form of vitamin A called retinol. And just taking a small amount every day, like a teaspoon or 2 to 3 capsules, can do wonders for calming down inflammation in your lungs and sinuses. But why is it so good, you ask? Well, it helps to keep your mucus at the right levels, making sure it's not too much or too thick. And here's the cool part. Vitamin A doesn't just stop at helping your lungs. It's like a superhero for your immune system, fighting off infections caused by viruses and bacteria in your sinuses or lungs. Plus, it's like a bodyguard, protecting you from reactions to things like pollen, pet hair, tobacco smoke, and other stuff floating in the air. Number 2. Quercetin. Quercetin, found in various fruits and vegetables, possesses potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These qualities make it particularly effective in reducing inflammation in the respiratory system, including the lungs. You may know that inflammation often contributes to conditions like bronchitis or asthma, leading to congestion and difficulty breathing. And one of quercetin's key roles is to combat inflammation. In the context of lung health, it means it can help soothe irritated airways, reducing swelling and alleviate congestion. By doing so, quercetin contributes to a smoother airflow and may ease the discomfort associated with respiratory issues. As an antioxidant, quercetin fights against oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Often, lungs can be exposed to pollutants, allergens, or infections that can trigger oxidative stress, potentially leading to inflammation and mucus production. Quercetin's antioxidant properties help neutralize these harmful free radicals, offering a protective shield for your respiratory system. While incorporating quercetin-rich foods into your diet is beneficial, supplements are a convenient option for a more concentrated dose. A recommended dosage often ranges from 500 to 1,000 milligrams per day, but individual needs can vary. There's also a link in the description if you wish to get quercetin supplements yourself. Number 3. Vitamin D. The next vital nutrient for easing lung congestion is the combination of vitamin D and K2. If you're dealing with lung issues like asthma, COPD, bronchitis, or persistent cough, a regular vitamin D supplement might be beneficial. Vitamin D, essentially a hormone, is produced by your skin in response to sunlight exposure. However, many people lack sufficient vitamin D due to genetic factors and limited sunlight, especially in the winter. Research indicates that 74% of asthma patients have a deficiency in vitamin D, and such a deficiency leads to structural changes in lung tissues, causing airways to become tight, thickened, and constricted. This inflammation results in increased mucus production. But to tackle this, research indicates that taking a daily dose of 20,000 IU, or vitamin D3, along with 200 micrograms of vitamin K2, can be an effective approach to reduce inflammation and mucus in the lungs. Moreover, it's advisable to incorporate outdoor walks into your routine, exposing your skin to sunlight for at least 45 minutes daily. This helps to naturally enhance your vitamin D levels, contributing to improved lung health and reduced congestion. And while you're listening to our video, subscribe to Natural Education for more ways to improve your health. Number 4. NAC. NAC works as a mucolytic agent, which means it's really good at thinning out the mucus in your lungs. It can do wonders, especially if you're dealing with issues like bronchitis, asthma, or pulmonary fibrosis. It does this by breaking down the bonds in the mucus proteins. This process is crucial for reducing things like coughing, wheezing, and those tough moments when your breathing acts up. So if you have lung problems, NAC can help make things easier. But NAC isn't just focused on your lungs. It also boosts glutathione in your liver. Think of glutathione as an antioxidant that helps your body heal. By increasing glutathione, NAC doesn't just benefit your lungs, it contributes to healing tissues throughout your body. And get this, doctors even use NAC to treat Tylenol poisoning and to get rid of toxins from your body. So it's not just about the lungs. NAC is like an all-round health supporter. And if you want to try NAC yourself, I'll leave a link in the description to check NAC supplements that I do personally use. Number 5. Wild oregano oil, thymol and carvacrol. Now let's talk about something simple yet powerful: oregano oil capsules. Many wonder why you get that annoying mucus in your lungs. Well, it often happens because of a sneaky fungal infection in your sinuses. This causes mucus to drip down from your nose, settle in your lungs, and result in that persistent cough. Here's the good news. If you're not a fan of previously mentioned supplements, wild oregano oil can help. To tackle sinus infections and clear out mucus, you can take 1 to 3 capsules of wild oregano oil daily for up to 10 days. Just make sure the one you choose has at least 80% carvacrol for the best results. Another option is a DIY approach. Mix 4 drops of wild oregano oil with a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt and a cup of warm water in a neti pot. Tilt your head and rinse this solution through your nostrils. Do this 3 times a week until you don't notice mucus bothering you anymore. What makes oregano oil so great? Well, it's all about its active ingredients, carvacrol and thymol. They work together to kick out those pesky infections in your sinuses and airways, helping your body naturally clear out mucus. So if you're looking for an easy and natural way to deal with mucus issues, wild oregano oil could be your new best friend. It's simple, it works, and it helps your body fight off those annoying infections in a natural way. Now that you've learned about some of the more powerful remedies for decongesting your lungs, let's take a look at some action steps you can take to quickly rid mucus and coughing. First, identify your triggers. For example, if you observe an increase in mucus after consuming milk or dairy, it could indicate a milk allergy. Similarly, if your mucus clears when you spend a few days away from home, it might suggest an allergy to mold in your living space. In the case of seasonal allergies to airborne pollen, considering a daily antihistamine could be beneficial. If you've been dealing with a persistent cough for an extended period, it could potentially be linked to GERD or acid reflux. In this scenario, stomach acid might be entering your food pipe, leading to inflammation and an overproduction of mucus. Next, insert Himalayan rock salt into an affordable salt inhaler and inhale dry air through the device for 5 minutes, 3 times a day. The salt is known to be highly effective in clearing respiratory mucus. You might have experienced a similar ease in breathing near the sea due to the salty air. Another option is to add radishes, onions, scallions, garlic, chili, and cayenne pepper into your regular diet. These spicy and sulfur-rich foods play a role in reducing the thickness and viscosity of mucus, facilitating its drainage from your sinuses and lungs. You can also enhance your diet with foods naturally rich in zinc, such as shellfish, including mussels, oysters, clams, crab meat, and pumpkin seeds. Zinc, a vital trace mineral, actively diminishes inflammation in the lungs, promoting improved breathing. Additionally, it aids in the clearance of viruses and mucus for better respiratory health. And once you're done with your lung problem, another step would be to improve your body so you could forget this feeling. And this could be done with biohacking, which is explained in the following video.